Bill Goudy checking in. I'm telling you, we're getting a snowstorm, and they said we were going to. They're saying maybe up to 3 inches. It all depends. They don't know how fast this is traveling. Well, that puts a damper to what I was going to do tonight. Yeah, I was going to cook over that little fire right there, but I don't know. It's all wet and damp and cold and snowy, and yeah, I think I'll just cook inside. I'm gonna cook a deer roast. Well, I don't know. It's a steak. It's a yeah, deer steak. I'm gonna do it. I'll just pan fry it, and I'll probably end up putting it in the oven as well. I got some shrimp. So hey, let's do a little deer steak and shrimp. Yeah, that sounds good. Kind of flying. Maybe a salad on the side. Sounds good to me. Join me, will you? You know, that's a thick steak. Yeah, small, tiny roast, I guess. But it's just right for me. Actually, it's more than enough for me. I'll only eat a small portion of that, but I'll have steak and eggs, or you know, something. I'll use the leftovers. Nothing will go to waste. I got a head of lettuce. I'll make my side salad. I'm gonna fry it right there. You see that? I fry it right there in the cast iron skillet. Butter. I got these on sale at Wally World. Yeah, they look good too. They're just tail on, already pre-cooked. I don't know whether to cook some or just have them raw. I haven't decided yet. I think I'll probably just have a shrimp cocktail. That'll just be the easiest. They didn't do a very good job of cleaning the mud veins out, so well, I'm going to go ahead and detail them and wash them out and get rid of that. Yeah, you see that? See that mud vein in there? Yeah, although there's some that have been worse. I just peel that out, and sometimes I use a toothpick to get the rest of it out if I can't. If I can't peel it up out of there. Will you look at that? That is Ken's blue cheese dressing. A brand new bottle that was on sale. Oh, it is so good. One of my favorites. If you could only smell that. Onions, mushrooms, garlic on top of that deer steak. Fried in butter. Oh, I'm letting it rest. I'm just sitting there letting it rest. I'm about to dig in. Look. Oh, look at the goodness. Let's cut a chunk of that off there. Oh, that smells so good. Oh. Not quite as pink as I'd like to have it, but you know what? I'm not, well, you know, it's not too bad. It's just not as pink as I'm normally used to having it. But you know what? I'm not used to pan frying them either, so that makes a big difference. It sure does. Oh, let's dig into that, shall we? Can't wait. Let's try a bite real quick before I get the shrimp out in the salad. Look at that. Will you look at that? Oh. Oh man. Is that worth the effort? You know, people have no idea what they're missing. Oh, that's so good. This is so good. There has been a big controversy whether to have a pan-fried steak or a steak over the open fire. You know, and they both have their, you know, they're different, that's for sure. And they both have their advantages. You know what? I think I'm just going to have both ways. And it just so happened that the weather was so crappy outside, I had me an indoor steak tonight. Oh, listen, gotta go. I'll try to catch you later. Thank you for watching. Bill Goudy out. Oh, that's so good. Yeah, we got at least 3 inches of snow last night. Lucky there.